This is the Blue Buffalo Company turkey meatloaf dinner with garden vegetables. These are made for adult dogs, 12.5-ounce cans here. We switched our dog over to the Blue Buffalo brand quite some time ago. We switched between the turkey and the meat one. This is just the beef one. This is just really great stuff. He really likes the turkey, but he also likes the beef as well. We've tried the chicken, we've tried the lamb, the sweet potato, and fish one, but we pretty much go between beef and turkey. This is just a really great recipe here. I like the fact how it mixes very well. You could see it just that the cans always open properly. We've had some other brands where the cans, the top of them just wouldn't open really good. You just see here, this is like the pate style right here. And when you just get into it here, you can see it just comes out really, really nice. So if you're mixing this with dry food, it just comes out in a really nice manner here. Very pleased with this stuff. Again, we're a repeat buyer of this. We've been using this for quite some time, and our dog likes it. Our vet said this is one of the best preferred foods out there for him, and just very pleased with it. You can see this is going to mix really well if you're mixing it with dry food. And again, turkey meatloaf dinner with garden vegetables. Highly recommend the Blue Buffalo Company foods.